I'm just waiting on the fame. Fuck the haters, I'll be famous or die trying to be. You saying I ain't the greatest, quit lying to me. You ain't got time to breathe, cause I keep it so mean. My favorite color is green and money is all I see. Bitch, I grew up in Florida, right below Georgia. Puffin' on that Doja, help me get some exposure. Homie, I done told ya, hotter than a cup of Folgers. A motherfucking soldier, help me brush off my shoulders. You should be my promoter, help me get rich and famous. Tell all your friends and neighbors, fuck all the fucking haters. I pray that I make it rapping so I can have paper stacking. Attracted to change the platinum, and rapping's my greatest passion. Fuck all the latest fashions, I dress however I feel. But for real, get me famous cause I'm the real deal.
I got a few dollar signs in my eyes, it's on my mind all the time. Give me sign, give me sign. I got a few dollar signs in my eyes, it's on my mind all the time.
Born and raised in the South, spitting flames from my mouth, no escaping it now. I'll be famous and proud, I'll be ballin' like a testicle. My shit is so exceptional, record deals I'm accepting them. Haters, I'll be rejecting them. Call me a real professional, let it be known now. I'm ready to go down in history, so now it's time for the showdown. Me and the rap nation, this is my generation, and it's time for some renovation. I'm taking over the game, so just remember my name. Music is in my brain, bring on the fucking fame. I'm hotter than a stove, and colder than the snow. Iller than strep throat, and louder than the Deftones. Rocking your headphones, waiting on the limelight, so I can blind your eyesight with diamond chains that shine bright all night. I'm the best, better than the rest, and if you're not impressed, catch a bullet to your chest.